Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So this is going to be the third and final element in this card, where I'm going to be showing you the complete card in its entirety. So as I said, it is using the Snowfall's Thinlits dies, but the sentiment is actually from the Wishing You Well stamp sets. So I'm going to move this out of the way and put this in the top corner. And I'm going to bring in a standard C6 size card base, like so. And made a bit of a boo-boo, I'm going to be honest with you. I tried to stamp the sentiment and then I brushed over it to get rid of all the excess dust and smudged it. Can you see? It's not very good. So what I have done is I've just done a little black flag with the sentiment on, which is just going to cover that like so. So I'm going to pop this onto dimensionals. One thing I would say with this is wait until it's dry. If you can leave it overnight, then do so, because it is so, you don't want little bits of speckles of white embossing powder everywhere. Or if you can't wait, to just quickly run it through, run over it with your heat tool and do a little flag like I have here, just to put the sentiment on. Or you could place the sentiment elsewhere, it's all up to you. So I'm just going to put that over the top like so. I'm going to hang it off the edge a little bit. And there you go. So the mistake's hidden, thank God. And I'm going to bring in the snowflakes that we made earlier on. So I have done quite a few, as you can see. That's one there. And I'm going to be using Tombow Multi, as well as glue dots, dimensionals even. So because I've changed the sentiment, I'm just going to cut a tiny square, and I'm going to put one snowflake, just hiding that edge, or to soften the edge, like so, up on a dimensional. And then I'm going to place all the other snowflakes around it. And I'm just going to do a teeny tiny blob. In different places. And then place that down onto the card. The glitter's got into the glue. Like so. Put that back down. There we go. Just going to put these randomly wherever I like. Where's my tweezers? So maybe put this one off of there. So make a tiny little square with a dimension. Put that in the middle. Put that slightly off. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that as it is, and as we made changes to this card, I'm going to grab some rhinestones, and I'm just going to open up my pack like so, and I'm just going to put some rhinestones down to fill the areas. Like so. So while there is slight differences in the cards, it's relatively the same, using the exact same techniques. Like that. So I do hope you enjoyed today's card, and why not, while you're here, like, comment and subscribe. Why not pop down into the description bar below and have a look at the list of products available to purchase, which were used in today's card, as well as popping over to my social media sites. Thank you, bye.